In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Microsoft 365 to your Windows computer. So this is going to install Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and all the other apps that are included in the Microsoft 365. You will need to have a subscription to Microsoft 365 to be able to do this. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to click sign in and sign into your Microsoft account that you have purchased Microsoft 365 on. So once you have signed in, you will then see on the right hand side here, it says install Office. You need to click onto this button. You can now choose your language. So I've got English selected there, which is fine. And then you can choose your version. If you're using a 32-bit version of Windows, then select 32-bit. If you're using 64-bit, then you can use that. If you're going to install Microsoft 365 onto a computer that doesn't have internet access, then you can select the offline installer. So I'm using Windows 64-bit, which means I'm going to select the Office 64-bit. If you're unsure what version you have, then you can always just keep it on default version. Once you're happy with your option, go ahead and press install. You then need to run the setup file. Office will then begin to get things ready. As you can see, it's now starting to download all the Microsoft Office 365 apps or programs to my computer. Once the install has finished, you will then end up with a window that looks like this that says you're all set. Office is installed. So we can now go ahead and press close. And if you now open up your start menu, you will then see under recently added the Office 365 apps. So that is how you install Microsoft 365 to a Windows computer. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.